DJI Mavic 4 Pro, first flight. Got that coming up next. Bill Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. My excitement over the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is absolutely over the moon. I absolutely love this drone. I took it out for its first flight today. We didn't do anything too out of the ordinary, just wanted to test flight handling, characteristics, video, speed, satellite acquisition, and so forth. But all in all, let's go ahead and roll that footage. Okay, today we're going to take the DJI Mavic 4 Pro up for its first flight. We're not going to do too much out of the ordinary. We're just going to kind of put it through its paces and take a look at the video quality, flight handling characteristics, signal strength, battery, and all that. We got 25 satellites, 95% battery, so we are ready to go. Let's go ahead and take off.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Get it up to about 100 feet like we like. Really like the controller. The screen on here is just absolutely fantastic. Okay, we're a little bit above where I want to be, but that's okay. Let's back it down just a little bit here. Okay, there we go. And let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal. And let's get recording underway. Okay, we are now recording as well too. I am so impressed with the screen. It just is absolutely fantastic. Let's go ahead and we're gonna take a look at the pool and the quartz. Let's back up. We're going to take a look at this. This is, like I said, I am extremely impressed with this controller and with the screen. It was well worth waiting for here. So let's go ahead and cruise over to the court area here. See, there's the dog park, tennis courts, paddleball courts, and bocce ball. Flight handling is very well on this. Again, I am just blown away by the clarity of the screen on the RC Pro 2. It is just, it is incredible. We're going to head over to 301, then we're going to go all the way down 19th Avenue, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the fountain. And you can see in the lower right corner of the screen grab that shows the view from the front sensor, which is, I think that's awesome to have that view. Control sticks are very responsive, very easy to use. Okay, we're going to kind of stop here and we're going to take a look. Okay, I'm getting that signal strength again here, and that's really kind of, I don't want to say it's odd, but you know, I got that with the Mini 5 Pro as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the screen here. Just looking down 301 this direction. Let's go the other direction here. Take a look at that. That's from that direction. Let's go ahead and move over here and go down 19th Avenue. It's very bright right now, but right where I'm at, I can see the clarity on here. It's just incredible. The responsiveness of the drone is just awesome. Also surprised that the RC Pro 2 is not really that heavy. I think the previous RC Pro was a little bit more on the beefier side. This one feels very good to hold, although I'm probably going to be getting a lanyard for this. And let's go ahead up, and then we're going to take a look at the fountain here. %battery, 28 satellites. And we're going to fly a little bit past the fountain here and then readjust our position. Okay, I think we can go ahead and adjust the position here. Let's back up. Side here. Let's back up a little more. Take a look at the zoom here on this. Okay, this is looking very awesome here. We're 2.5 right there. That's fantastic. Let's adjust the pitch here a little bit. Yeah, I'm very impressed with that. That looks absolutely fantastic. Wow, that is absolutely fantastic on that zoom. If the video comes out as good as it is on the screen here, I'm very impressed with that. Let's go ahead and do a return to home here.
Return to home.
And adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. Well, let's see how we do. Yeah, a little bit of a moderate wind. Like I said, it's about 15 miles an hour. I flew the Mini 5 Pro a little earlier, and it definitely did affect that. But I don't think this will be any problem for the Mavic 4 Pro here. Looks like we're gonna hit the mat here. Wow, that's about as good as it gets for the first flight of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. I was very impressed with its handling characteristics. The screen clarity on the RC Pro 2 is fantastic. The responsiveness to the sticks was great. The speed, everything. I was just absolutely impressed with the first flight of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Mavic 4 Pro first flight? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.